Most of us can concentrate on work or study for only about 25 to 30 minutes at a stretch. You might be able to push yourself to work for 4 hours straight, but after the first 25 minutes, your efficiency starts to decline. So, what's the better approach? The answer lies in taking a 5-minute break every 25 minutes to keep your productivity levels steady. Think of your energy as a glass of water. It gets depleted every 25 minutes, and taking breaks helps refill it. One of the most well-known methods based on this idea is the Pomodoro Technique, created by university student Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The technique involves 5 steps. 1. Choose a task. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. 3. Work on the task until the timer goes off. 4. Take a 5-minute break. 5. After completing 4 Pomodoro sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. It's a simple method that might seem ineffective at first glance, but it works surprisingly well. I've been using it for several years, including right now while writing this script. If you want to try it out, here are a few rules and tips. 1. Break down complex tasks. Spend 15 minutes at the start of your day planning your Pomodoros. Look at your to-do list and estimate how many Pomodoros each task will take. If a task takes more than 4 Pomodoros, break it down into smaller parts. 2. Group small tasks together. Tasks that take less than 1 Pomodoro should be combined with other simple tasks. For instance, you can group tasks like paying rent, checking email, and reading a Pomodoro article into one session. 3. Stick to the Pomodoro. Once you start a Pomodoro, don't stop until the timer rings. Avoid checking emails, messages, or any other distractions. Write down any ideas or tasks that come up to address later. 4. Take screen-free breaks. If you work on a computer, avoid switching to other screens during your breaks. Give your eyes and brain a real break by moving around, stretching, going outside, or doing a non-screen activity. 5. Inform those around you. Let your family or housemates know that you're using the Pomodoro technique to avoid interruptions. This will help you maintain focus and prevent disruptions. 6. Adjust Pomodoro lengths. For certain tasks requiring deep focus, 25 minutes might be too short. If you're struggling to stay focused for 25 minutes, try shorter Pomodoros of 15, 10, or even 5 minutes. 7. Include buffer Pomodoros. Plan for unexpected tasks or tasks that take longer than anticipated by adding a couple of buffer Pomodoros to your schedule. By following these guidelines, you can enhance your productivity significantly. Now, let's delve into why the Pomodoro technique is so effective. First, it reduces procrastination. We often procrastinate because tasks seem overwhelming. By breaking tasks into 25-minute segments, the Pomodoro technique makes starting easier and keeps you focused on one thing at a time, preventing you from feeling overwhelmed. Second, it minimizes distractions. It's challenging to regain focus after being interrupted. The Pomodoro technique trains your brain to concentrate by dedicating each Pomodoro to one task and using breaks to reset and refocus. Third, it changes your perception of time. Instead of viewing time as something that's slipping away, you start seeing it as a series of productive intervals. This shift helps reduce anxiety and increases your sense of accomplishment. Fourth, it leverages Parkinson's law, which states that work expands to fill the time available. By setting a 25-minute timer, you're more likely to complete tasks efficiently within that time frame. That's a brief overview of the Pomodoro technique. If you want to boost your productivity even further, check out our video on the Pareto principle. Thanks for watching.